Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So a few days back I posted a process video in my shorts and it got quite popular. A lot of people were asking me to do it in detail. So here I am doing them. So for this you need coasters that were already made so you can recycle them. Please do wear gloves. I forgot to wear in this step. So I just sprayed my coasters with black spray paint and now this is white spray paint. And what I did here is that I went outside and this is my laundry line where the spiders have made the web. So I made sure there are no spiders over there. So now I am with the white spray spraying the web here. So what actually it do here is that it makes the web visible. So please make sure there are no spiders. So when I do that, after that quickly you can see here I just push the coaster against the web and it do sticks to the coaster. Here you go, you can see it. So one more thing that I learned when I posted that video, people commented that the web is not completed, so the spider will come back to make the web. So unfortunately this is the laundry line and I have to put my fabrics and my clothing over there, so this is going to be broken anyways. So really I can't do anything about that. So I selected this spot. So here was the one that I posted in shorts. So here I found a web that was made on my door and these doors open every time. So these are broken as well. So was no spider over there. Now you can see that I am spraying the web here and it is helping me to see where the web is. It's making it visible. You can clearly see the web now. So against it I am putting the coaster and quickly I pushed it. So you can see a beautiful pattern of the web has been captured. So I will be doing the second one again. So black paint onto the coaster and then I selected the spot. I did this white spray paint and now I am just setting up the angle and quickly I will be pushing it onto the coaster. Here we go. So no matter how centered I positioned it, it always go as it wants to. Nature is so beautiful, and when I see these beautiful webs I see that there is no perfection. So whenever we make webs ourselves or something, we go for the perfection, the lines, but you can see clearly it was so beautiful how detailed these webs are. So now back to the coasters. I'm doing the top coat here. So I mixed my resin and I just poured it onto the top of the coaster. Now with my heat gun I will be moving my resin. So after doing the top coat, I wanted to add something more to it. So these are black crystals that I made from resin. So I wanted to place them on the areas that the web was not completed. So I just put them over there and they were looking amazing, black on black. So I didn't do much with these because they are already so beautiful and perfect for your Halloween decorations. So I just wanted to tell you that please go for that webs that don't have any spiders on them because we really don't want to harm any spiders, any nature outside. So these are the webs that were in my way and they were going to be broken anyway. So that's why I used them. So now I am doing the top coat onto the smaller coasters. So again, you can see there is some area that was not already done. So I know this is a nature art, but still it was bothering me. So I thought, why not draw myself? So you can see there is a white line. I took the Posca pen and tried to make it myself, and then it was not matching, so I didn't do it. So after when my layer was cured, what I did, I took my gilding glue and I thought, why not try a kintsugi sort of thing and make web by myself. So I just draw some line with this gilding glue and you can see now it's been dried and it's sticky. So here is the part where my gold foils come here. So I use some gold foil on the edges of these smaller coasters. So this is the mirror gold that I will be using. So simply I applied that gilding glue. Now it's dried. Now I'm just pressing it onto the coaster. So I really didn't want to overdo it. Just a hint of gold by completing the web. So it's a patch, you can say, I have done with the golden gilding glue for this web, just to make it complete. So I really love this idea. Before I was thinking of adding a spider over there, a decorative spider, not the original one, but I thought a lot of people will not like it, or a lot of things were going in my mind. So I just wanted to do it simple. So this is what came into my mind, and I think this looks elegant. Please do let me know in comments what you think about that. So after doing that, I need to do the top coat again here, because I used the gilding glue, so I need to do the top coat to protect it. So I mixed my resin, and now I am doing the top coat here. So these are all done. We leave them to dry, and let's see how they all turned out. So this is the final look, and there is nothing I can say about them because this is all captured by nature. It's free, but such a beautiful art. And I always learn so much from the nature. Sometimes I do a work and I want to achieve everything in perfection, but when I see the nature, the ways of working of nature, I can see that there is no perfection out there. So there are so many lessons to learn when you are working. So after that, when I was done with them, I had an idea, and I thought this time I was using white spray. So we can use different color sprays. You can use any color you want on these webs, and it will be turning into that color. You can use purple, green, blue, golden, copper, silver, whatever color you like with your spray. You can spray on it them. And for this reason, I did an experiment. So later on, you will be seeing that. So for now, that's it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.